Hey guys, this is a video for you where I compare the Paperless NGX with the Devon technologies, like Devonthink in a way. So what are the main differences between these two? The Devonthink is better for personal knowledge management and research. So it's built for the macOS, Mac and iOS users, and you have like really great AI search, document linking, great for research writers, let's say lawyers and academics. But it's only for macOS and iOS only. And it's only for native web access. So this is something that you have to be aware of. On the other hand, with Paperless NGX, this is like self-hosted DMS, and it's good for multi-user server-based document archiving. So where you can like archive the documents and you can filter them and search through them. So this is something that you can actually do. And now, if you want to use Devonthink, it's for Apple ecosystem users. You want to deep semantic search and cross-linking between documents, and you are primarily an individual or small research group anyway. The Paperless, so if you want to have multi-user access across different devices, you want to centralize paper documents with OCR metadata, and you're running a household archive or let's say small office DMS. So that's like it. The Paperless is for document archiving, multi-user retrieval, and the Devonthink is for personal knowledge management and research. So I just want to make this quick and effective video for you in which I compare these two, like what you can actually expect. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.